In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post in Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through the posting process from start to finish so you can publish content to both Facebook and Instagram from one place. Meta Business Suite makes it much easier to manage your social media, especially if you want to keep your posting workflow simple and organized. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to your home dashboard. From there, click on Create Post. This opens the Post Composer, which is where you'll build and prepare your content before it goes live. If you manage more than one page or account, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm you're posting from the correct business profile before continuing. Once the Composer opens, click on Add Photo to Video to attach your media. This is where you can upload the image or video you want to include in your post. Make sure your media is the final version you want to use and take a moment to check that it looks clear and professional. Since visuals are usually the first thing people notice, using the right file here is an important part of the process. Next, click on Customize Post for Facebook and IG. This option is helpful because it allows you to adjust the content separately for each platform while still creating everything in one place. Since Facebook and Instagram audiences often respond differently, customization gives you more control over how the post appears and reads on each channel. Now, type the Facebook text. Write the caption or message you want your Facebook audience to see. Keep it clear, relevant, and aligned with the goal of the post, whether you're promoting something, sharing an update, or posting general content. This is where you shape the message specifically for Facebook. After that, click on Instagram. This switches your view so you can edit the Instagram version of the post. It's an important step because even if the image stays the same, the wording may need to be adjusted to feel more natural on Instagram. Then type the Instagram text as well. Add the caption you want to use for your Instagram audience. You can tailor the tone and style here so it fits the platform better. The key is to make sure the message feels appropriate for Instagram while still staying consistent with your overall content. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Publish. This sends your post live to the selected platforms. Before you do that, take one last glance at the text, media, and platform selections so you can be confident everything is ready. And that's how to create a post in Meta Business Suite.